In terms of altering the wheel throne form at this point, since it is a functional platter, I don't want to do too much to the interior of the space, which will contain liquid or solids. And also, I don't want to disrupt that interior too much because I'm thinking ahead to when it's glazed. You want to have a fairly smooth, unblemished interior surface for easy cleaning and sanitary reasons. But if you still want to work the form further, you certainly can distort the edges of the form, or the pieces of the edges of the form, or areas of the form that do not come in direct contact with food or liquid, and simply supporting it like that with your left hand and then bringing up your right finger can give you some interesting variation there on that shape. The last thing we do is with the wooden trim tool, again, you want to run that underneath the form to make sure that it is not attached to the bat at that point where the form meets the bat. You want to have a nice clean edge down there, so when the piece does dry and does start to shrink, that it'll pull away from the bat easily without holding up on the bat and causing a crack.